Hello and welcome to Tarot Space. This is going to be an absolutely amazing video. बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं ये video बनाऊं and here I am. So in this video I am going to talk to you about what exactly is the gossip related to you. So yes, we are going to talk about what exactly your friends think about you, your family think about you, your colleagues think about you, your partner thinks about you. So this is going to be a lot of gossip, but disclaimer, let me give you a disclaimer before I start this video. Please understand for a fact that whatever people think about you does not define you. You are your own person. You can be just the way you are. So just do not be disheartened or just do not be heartbroken if there are some negativity or some negative things that people are thinking about you, because that does not define you. Understand this for a fact. Okay, now let's move ahead and let us talk about your friends first. What exactly your friends think about you. So let me just connect you. Take a deep breath in and release. Please help me. Whoever is watching this video, please tell me what exactly their friends gossip about them. What exactly their friends gossip about. I don't know, but I feel that your friends are very convenient. And I feel that whenever you had friendships, you did everything that you could to sustain that friendship, but you had a bad experience with friendship in your childhood, is something that the spirit guides are telling me, because of which you have bad friendships. Yes, friends will not understand you or friends will not treat you nicely. And I feel that you will do a lot of things for your friends, but then in return, you wouldn't get the same kind of appreciation or same kind of gestures that you do for your friends. So they actually think a lot about you, like they think really good about you, but they also think that you are you are out of their reach. Even if they want to do something for you, it will be not enough of what you do for them. Okay, yes. So this was a heavy channelized message that my spirit guides wanted to tell you. Let's see what exactly your friends are thinking about you. What exactly? Okay. Oh. So, the first card that I've received is no facts. I don't know, but the card tells me that maybe your friends think that you lie a lot. You are a liar, and you make up a lot of things. They feel that you do not know anything about this world and you are a bimbo. You are a bit dumb, is what your friends are thinking. They feel that you do not have facts, you do not know reality of certain things in your life, and they also feel that you lie a lot to them. Yes. I don't know if it's going to be resonating towards you, but yes. Next is they also feel that you're a very traumatic person. They feel that you're not completely gotten over whatever happened in your past, and whenever they are with you, whenever you are having a conversation or communication, they know that you are a traumatic person. You are a person who needs extra healing, and you're a person who is not satisfied with their life, and they feel that this person is always haunted by memories, flashbacks, has a lot of trauma side effects. What else? I feel that they don't they reject you a lot. I feel that they give you rejection. Like if you tell them let's do this, let's do that, they will give you rejection. Not only this, no. I guess I just messed up here. If you tell them let's do this, let's do that, they actually will do that thing, because they cannot say no. But you are a rejecter. Like if they want to do certain things, you will make up things and you will be like, no, I don't think so. This is something that we should be doing. Let's do this. So I feel they feel that you're controlling a lot of time of this friendship. You control way too much, and you are never there for the plans that they make, but whenever you make certain plans, they have to be there. So this is some kind of energy that your friends are feeling related to you. They also feel that dirty offer. uh, some of your friends also feel that you're sending pictures to someone. They feel that you are someone who can do anything to get something. Okay, they also feel that you send screenshots of their chat to other people to prove something, so you actually collect a lot of photo proofs as well. Okay, last, I'm going to pull out for people who are watching this video. Please tell me, what are their friends thinking about them? They actually think that you are a runner. They actually think that you keep running from things. You do not confront things. You are a person who does not like to confront things. For example, if there is an issue and you and your friend actually need to talk, or you need to communicate, but what you are going to do is you're going to completely run away from that situation and you're not going to face it. So this is something that your friends are aware about it, and they know that you are a runner. Bottom of the deck energy, fake account. They also know that you create fake account and you stalk a lot of people. So yes, they know that you have fake followers somewhere down the line. If you are famous, they feel that you have fake followers, and you have accounts to spy on people. You actually stalk a lot of people, and they know about this. They know about this behavior of yours. So this is something that your friends are actually thinking about you. This is the gossip that I would love to share with you related to your friends. Let's talk about what exactly your family is thinking about you, what exactly your family thinks about you. Okay, this is going to be a very dangerous reading. Please understand that this is just for fun, maybe, but yeah, some part might resonate with you. Because my readings never go general. I always connect to people who are watching this video, and this will completely be for people who are watching this video. Let's connect to them, and please tell me what exactly their family think about them. First card. Your family thinks that you are moving on. You are moving on, like you are very easy to move. It is very easy for you to move on from certain things. If you have if you had a fight with your family, they feel that at that time you're completely tempered, but at some time, in some time, like in the morning maybe you're completely tempered, but at night when you come home and when you're back in the family, you're a completely changed person. So you move on very easily and very quickly. You move on from a certain situations, and you move on from certain fights that has happened in your family very easily, and you feel that they feel that it is very easy for you to forget things and go ahead in your life. They also feel that you're completely hustling. They feel that you're completely overburdened and you work a lot. They feel that you're completely focused on money, and you just want that. They feel that you do not care about them, and you do not basically care about what how they are not. You only feel about hustling things, and moving ahead and earning a lot of money. Okay, what else? You They also feel that you're always partying. I don't know why, but they feel, your family feels that, okay, this person is hustling, but this person is always partying. This person just uh, uh, needs an excuse to actually party, and they feel that you're always having fun. They also feel that whatever you're dealing with in your life is actually your bad karma. Maybe something you did in your past life, and you're facing all of those things. Okay, what else? They also feel that you are a happiness hater. They feel that whenever your family is happy, you are going to sabotage that happiness. They also feel that you do not like them being happy. You are not a part of family get togethers, and you are not a part of any kind of happy moment that your family is going through. So they actually feel that you're a hater, happiness hater. Bottom of the deck energy, legal issues. They also feel that you are very prone to having legal issues. They feel that अगर कुछ होगा तो यही हमें फंसाएगा या फंसाएगी. Okay, we have to be very very careful with this person, because she or he is basically living a life in danger most of the time. So there can be legal issues on this person, is what your family is also thinking about you. And your family thinks that you fake flex. They feel that you do not have anything in your life in terms of money or in terms of reputation, but when you meet them, you love to fake flex that, okay, I have achieved this, I have achieved that, and stuff like that, wherein nothing is in reality. This is what they think, but I'm not telling you that this is what you are. Okay, remember. So this is something that I got related to your family. Do let me know in the comment section if you're finding it very interesting, and do let me know in the comment section if you are enjoying this reading. Let's move ahead to your employees. Let's see people you work with, what exactly they think about you. Okay. Please help me read for whoever is watching this video. Employees. Okay. The first card is careless. They feel that you're careless. They feel that you're very, very careless. You, sorry, not careless, it's carless. They feel that you do not have a car. I don't know why, but yes. Carless, I also feel that you have travel issues. You find it very difficult to travel in locals and stuffs like that. You're always okay. They also feel that you are self-reflecting. You meditate a lot. You're a spiritual person. They feel that this person is working on himself or herself all the time. Okay, your employees also feel that you are very fake in terms of hiding your insecurities, and they feel that your smile is very fake, you are very fake. Okay, they also feel that you have fake accounts and you stalk a lot of people through those fake accounts. Okay, next is too busy winning. I feel they feel that you are very, very competitive and you love winning and you always focus on winning, and that is what people you work with think about you. They actually think that you are too busy winning, you love winning and you do not like losing, and you are you are very competitive. They also feel that they are very much rejected when it comes to you. They feel that you always reject them, you always reject their plans, you always reject their opinions. So they also feel this about you. They also feel that you don't give a shit about what they care about you and what they think about you. They also, I feel that it is a group versus you. So if you are a part of a group, if there are part of people who work with you, they have a group and they actually talk about you. They actually talk about you like completely as a whole. So everyone in a group is talking about you, is gossiping about you. So everyone has similar opinions related to you. What else? They also feel that you are a they hate your spiritual energy. Let me be very honest. They know that you're very spiritual and they know that you're very religious as well, but they really hate your this side. They hate because they are not in that vibration, not in that energy, and they really hate this side of yours. They know that you are very powerful. They also think that you are someone who sends a lot of evil eye or psychic attack on them. Okay, they feel that they take you as a very, very bitchy or a person who is spiritual but harmful. Okay, they take you as this. A bottom of the deck energy is forcer. They also feel that you force your plans on them, and that you force your opinions on them, and that you force your things on them. Okay, so this is what I've got for you. This is going to be what exactly your people who work with you think about you. Okay, now let's check what exactly your person thinks about you. Whoever this person can be, this person can be the person whom you are separated with and person whom you are dating right now. Just think about that person in your mind. Help me connect to people who are watching this video. Whatever name they have in their mind, please tell me what exactly they think about them. The first card, that fake accounts. They know that you have fake accounts and you stalk them and you actually check their comment section. You actually check who and whom they are following and their followers. They know that you stalk them a lot. This can be for people who are in separation as well. And they also feel you're very dramatic. They feel that if everything is going fine and if you need attention, you will actually make things very dramatic. You will actually create drama so that you get that attention from your person. Okay, you will say anything and do nothing. You will say anything and you will do anything. You will make shit up just for drama. Okay, they think like this about you as well. They also feel that they are completely rejected. You do not listen to them. They feel that whenever they want to say something or whenever they want to plan something, your expressions and your emotions are completely different than how they are when you make certain plans. They also feel you are always finding mistakes in them. They feel that you're always looking the dirt on them rather than looking for gems. You always keep finding dirt on them. Like you always find their weaknesses and you throw it on them just to make them feel bad or maybe wrong in your eyes, in their eyes. And they also feel that you ignore them a lot. You ignore them a lot, maybe because when you're working, or maybe when they are with you, it is easier for you to ignore them most of the time, because you prioritize a lot of other people when they are around you. So if you have a lot of friends, you have a group of friends, and your person is also there, so you will tend to not intentionally but unintentionally ignore them, and that is what they actually feel. They also feel that you are always crying. I don't know why, but they feel that you are always sad, hurt, or upset with them, and they cannot make you happy, is something that they actually feel. They also feel that you're a jackpot. They actually know your value, and they actually know your worth, because they know what you do for them, they know what you are for them. But then they also feel all of these things in like in reality, because these are some things that are there in you is what I am sensing. I don't know why, but I feel that this is a reality check for you. Maybe you are not like that, but you are portraying yourself like that, and that is the reason people are thinking about this. Because one common thing that people are thinking about you is that you're very controlling, and you are rejecting everyone, but you only want to accept your plans, and you only want to accept your things. So you really need to take care of others' opinion. You really need to make other feel that they are accepted as well, because if you change certain behaviors, because that is something commonly that everyone is thinking about you. So you really need to stop prioritizing your needs more. And like there is a very thin line between being self-obsessed and being self-loving. Okay, so self-loving is good, but self-obsessed always makes you away from people who are around you, and you are at that stage when people will start rejecting you, and people will start going away from you. So you really need to change certain habits in your life, because I guess that is something that is very similar in all the thought process of people who are around you. So I feel that is something to be taken care of. Maybe you are projecting this to them, and maybe you are not like this, but you are unintentionally being like this with them. They also feel that you are full of money, you have a lot of money, you earn really good. This is about your person. You have a lot of inheritance money, like your mom is your dad is very rich, and they have a lot of properties. They also feel like that, and they also know that whenever they are with you, they will always have money with them. Okay, and bottom of the deck energy is fishing for comments. They also know this, that you all are always checking out their posts and comments. They're also, they know that you stalk them, and you see what people are commenting on their posts. You're completely stalking them, and you stalk them. So this is what it is. I hope you really like this video, and it was a bit interesting. Sorry if I had made any mistakes with while creating this video, or there were or the quality of the video is not nice, because I'm trying to make it as better as I can. I'm shooting from my laptop, and I feel that this is much better than what I used to create previously. I would need your support to actually make this channel much more better, because I feel that my readings are very accurate, and I am very proud of my talent, because my spirit guides are very proud of me, and my spirit guides are very communicative to me, and I communicate to my spirit guides very nicely. That is what my spirit guides told me today in the morning, that you have to create a video related to what gossip people are gossiping about you, because it is very important to know what others are thinking about you, because it's a way of reflection. It's a way wherein you will get to know what exactly you are reflecting to people, and what exactly you are actually. Okay, this will help you to change particular things in your life in a particular way, and you will be able to handle relationships and hold on to your family, friends, and employees very nicely. Thank you so much for showing a lot of love to my YouTube channel, and I would love if you keep showing this love to me, and help me grow in YouTube as well. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, because I would really love to know your views related to my reading. Do you want such kind of readings more? What type of videos do you want me to create? Do you want me to create information related videos related to magic, related to moon phases, or do you want me to do psychic readings or tarot readings on a particular topic? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching this video.